What if I told you that starting a YouTube channel in 2025 is easier than ever, but 90% of new creators still mess it up in the first 24 hours? Today, I'll walk you through setting up your channel the right way, step by step, and by the end of this video, you won't just have a YouTube channel, you'll have a brand in the making. Hello, I'm Daniel. Welcome to the YouTube Growth Lab, where we turn passion into profit and channels into communities. If you're serious about becoming a YouTube creator, hit that like button and subscribe because we're building your entire journey from zero to pro, one episode at a time. So step 1, head over to YouTube and make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Now here's a pro tip. If you're serious about YouTube, create a separate Google account just for your channel. Why? It helps with branding, privacy, and future team access. Here is my screen display. Click on YouTube. Then click on create channel. Under the option of picture, click. Select any picture that you want to save as your profile. Adjust, then save. Then head over to name. I'll edit mine to a child's playhouse. Click on save. Then create channel if you don't want to change the handle. Click on create channel. As we wait, here we are, channel created. Screen display, go to Chrome or Google, and on the taskbar, click on studio.youtube.com. Login desktop version. You'll see the YouTube Studio, then click on it. Sorry for the internet hitch. Here is the display from the dashboard. Then on the farthest left, there is an icon that looks like a pencil with some stars which are shining on it. That is the customization button. Click on it. We have options on profile and home tab. First option, inner image. Click on it. Click on upload. You can pick any picture that you want to have it as your banner image. Sorry for that. So I had already designed one banner from Canva. If you don't know how to create one, you can also type in the comment section. I'll see it and I'll teach you how to go about it. Then once you've balanced it, save. You can also see the profile picture that we had created earlier on. Then let us proceed to, you can see the name is a child's playhouse. Our handle still remains the same. We move over to description. You can make your description simple and sweet, about telling us more about your channel so that people are not lost when they come to your channel. Mine is welcome to a child's playhouse where creativity meets passion. There is that, add language. You can add, click on add. If it's English, Yoruba, Kiswahili, Swahili, Hindi. Then let us proceed to the link. Under these links, it's where you are sharing your external view with your audiences. Like for example, I will type on Facebook, then head over to my Facebook account. Then I will go and click on my view profile. Under those three dotted icons on the farthest right, I'll click on it, then scroll downwards to copy, then I head over and paste. But you can also start by copying it earlier on, then come over and paste it. You can see you can add multiple links: Instagram, LinkedIn, X. Even from your YouTube channel, you can type it under subscribe, then copy and paste it. Then we head over to contact info, where you have your email. We can add our email address. So mine is Daniel547 mine, I will change it to danielchike@gmail.com. To video watermark. So after customizing your channel, below down there is an icon of settings. Click on settings, then click on general. You'll see default units, that's the currency. I'll pick on dollars. You can create the currency based on your originality. Then head over to channel. Under basic info, click your country of residence. So I did pick mine. Move to advanced settings to set your channel under not meant for kids if it's not a kids channel. But I'll advise you to pick on not meant for kids. That does not limit your content to kids, but it allows your content, when you start creating your videos and uploading them, to reach further audiences, right from the children from age 13 onwards. Let's head over to feature eligibility, where you'll have to verify you'll have to enable each of them, where we have the standard, the intermediate one, where you'll have to click and verify. Ensure you follow each and every step to the maximum. Then we head over to, after we've set, move to permissions. Under permissions, let's have a look. There's not much on it. We can move to community moderation, content controls. For now, we can just leave it that way. We're just confirming everything that we've done.
If this helped you, hit that like button and share it with someone else launching a channel this year. And if you're serious about growing, don't miss episode 2, where we dive into choosing a niche that is not just trendy, but built to last. Until next time, bye.